Ever wondered how to crimp your own Ethernet cables? Well, ponder no longer. Today's topic is crimping Ethernet cables, a simple process that can save you both time and money. Ready? So, here we go. Step 1. Gather the necessary materials. You'll need an Ethernet cable, RJ45 connectors, a crimping tool, and a wire cutter or scissors. These are all readily available at your local electronics store or online. Now, let's move on to step 2, which is preparing the cable. Start by stripping about an inch of the outer jacket from the end of the cable. Be careful not to cut into the inner wires. Once you've stripped the outer jacket, you'll see 4 pairs of twisted wires. Untwist each pair and arrange them according to the T568B wiring standard. This standard is commonly used for Ethernet connections. Now, it's time to insert the wires into the RJ45 connector. Make sure the wires are fully inserted and in the correct order. You can use a wire cutter or scissors to trim any excess wire sticking out of the connector. With the wires inserted, it's time to crimp the connector. Place the connector into the crimping tool and squeeze firmly. This will secure the wires in place and create a strong connection. Once you've crimped the connector, give it a gentle tug to ensure it's securely attached to the cable. If it comes off easily, you may need to recrimp it. Repeat same steps and crimp the other end of the Ethernet cable. And there you have it. You've successfully crimped your own Ethernet cable. Now, you can connect it to your devices and enjoy a reliable internet connection. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be discouraged if your first few attempts aren't perfect. With time and experience, you'll become a pro at crimping Ethernet cables. Thanks for watching, and happy crimping!